Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see how you can use this electric compact scale. This I purchased online, okay, under 200 rupees, and that too, this is a rechargeable product. Means the rechargeable battery is provided within the package, and along with that, there is an adapter also provided. See here, so you can charge this. And how you can use this is very simple. The maximum weight you can put on this weighing scale is 10 kilo. Under 10 kilo home products you can just check. See for example, there is a unlabeled hot chili powder I purchased for 250 grams. Means I assume that I asked the shopkeeper to give 250 grams of hot red chili powder, but I'm not sure whether this would be really 250 grams. So what I'll do is I'll be just clicking on here. See, this is turned on, and immediately see here there is the scale zero showing here. As I lift this, the readings are getting changed, but see here, okay, I'll be placing it here, and now I'll be putting it on here. After this, I'll be checking this cashew also. So it is like 254 grams, 254. So I'll be just zooming this in so that you'll get to know the reading better. Okay, 254. Is it visible? Maybe I can put off the light here. Yeah, offing the light, showing the better visibility. There is a light option on and off, and the mode in the sense this is showing up in the grams, right? You can convert this. Okay, now it is 8.9 O's. Okay, in few countries or a few people requirement, if you want it in O's, you can just lb kg. Okay, previously I have shown you grams, right? 250 grams. Now you can convert this in kilos. Okay, I'll be sticking it to grams because I want in grams, which is 250 grams. And the stare option I'll explain. Before that, what I'll do is I'll be zooming out, okay, a bit more. And if you want this product unboxing, I did a separate video of this and I uploaded. Just check the link in the description. Okay, I'll be placing this. This is a 1 kilo. Okay, assume this as the 1 kilo packet. So again I'll be zooming out this, right? See, if you can see, this is 1 kilo and 9 grams. Okay, so this is perfectly fine at this point of use case scenarios. This will be useful. I'll be zooming out this. Okay, and as I said, right, there is a Tare option at the last option, right? This Tare option is, if I click on this Tare option, the reading gets 0. This would be useful in the sense, like, say for example, if you keep a bowl on this compact scale, see, a bowl on this compact scale. So this is like 48 grams, right? I don't want the weight of this 48 grams, so I'll make it to 0 by pressing on this Tare function here. So whatever I keep it here, now the exact weight of this product will be visible. That's the main advantage or the usage of this Tare option here. Okay, yeah, if you do have any other question, you can just ask in the comments. And this is battery operated. You can insert the battery over here. There are 2 batteries, and these are the rechargeable batteries. Okay, there is an adapter given here. Okay, this is in the package. So with that adapter I can charge it, so we can reuse it. This is all under 230 or 250 rupees. For exact prices, just check in the description for the full unboxing video. Please do comment your opinion, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.